Dr. Christian Tiongho and Miss Elaine Santiago. And receiving the award is Bini Joanna.
Okay, nakakaba. Hindi ako sanay tumayo na mag-isa lang ako. Pero magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Bini Joanna, leader of Bini. And on behalf of my sisters, Aya, Colette, Gwen, Maloy, Mika, Sheila, and Stacy, we are deeply honored po to receive these awards. Maraming salamat po. Nung nalaman po namin natatanggap kami ng award, nasa gitna po kami ng world tour. Sobrang nakakawala ng pagod and mas ginanahan po kami. And every time we perform, we do it for our blooms, we do it for the people who believe in us. And itong award na to, itong mga awards na to, award to para po sa lahat ng taong naniniwala sa amin, our management, ABS-CBN. Sorry, kinakabahan ako. Ano ba yan? Woo! To our ABS-CBN management, Star Magic, Star Music, our music label. And to our Blooms, this is also your win. Maraming salamat. And to Guillermo Box Office Entertainment Awards, maraming salamat po for recognizing our hard work. Parang sinabi po ng award na to sa amin na keep going, Bini, you're doing great. And that means the world to us po kasi parang, especially now that it feels like so many people are trying to pull us down. Alam niyo, parang ang daming nakatingin sa amin at talagang tinatry kami sirain. And ang hirap, but at the same time, it pushes us more to stay strong and prove them wrong. This is just the beginning and we'll keep going, we'll keep growing. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino. Thank you!